Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Nazir, a civil engineer with years of hands-on experience in construction. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial elements of any construction project, steel fixing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting in the construction industry, today's video will give you pro tips and insider secrets to help you master this skill. Steel fixing is one of the cornerstones of building strong and durable structures, and knowing the right techniques will help you get the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's define what steel fixing really is. Steel fixing refers to the process of placing and securing steel reinforcement bars, or rebars, into concrete structures. These bars are not just metal rods. They are crucial to providing strength and durability to a building, bridge, or any other type of concrete structure. Rebars help handle tensile stress, which concrete alone can't do effectively. Without properly fixing these bars, you run the risk of the concrete cracking or breaking, which could compromise the safety of the entire structure. Simply put, steel fixing is the backbone of any concrete project. Now, why is steel fixing so important? Think about it. Concrete is incredibly strong in compression, but weak in tension. This is where reinforced steel comes in. Steel bars provide the tensile strength to counteract the forces pulling apart the concrete, keeping the entire structure intact under pressure. Without accurate steel fixing, you could face issues like cracks, weak joints, or even complete structural failure over time. In short, steel fixing plays a critical role in maintaining the overall strength, stability. Now that we know why steel fixing is so important, let's talk about the essential tools you'll need to get the job done. These tools are the foundation of your work. Without them, your efforts will fall short. Here's a rundown of the key tools every steel fixer should have in their toolkit. Close-up shots of each tool as the host names them. Tying wire. This wire is used to securely fasten the rebar in place. It ensures that the steel stays where it needs to be until the concrete is poured in sets. Rebar bender. A rebar bender is used to create precise bends in the steel rods. Whether you need 90-degree angles, custom curves, or other specific shapes, this tool makes bending easy and safe. Rebar cutter. Rebar cutters are essential for cutting steel rods to the required lengths. These tools allow you to make accurate cuts without compromising the integrity of the steel. Plumb line and measuring tape. Accurate measurement is crucial when positioning rebar. The measuring tape ensures each piece is placed exactly where it should go, while the plumb line helps keep the bars vertically aligned. Pliers. Pliers are used for tying and securing the bars together. Let's talk about some pro tips that will make your steel fixing easier, faster, and more precise. These tips will set you apart from the average worker and give you the skills of a pro. Tip number 1. Plan and measure carefully before you even pick up a tool. Always start with careful planning and measurement. You don't want to waste time or materials by getting the placement wrong. Measure and mark where every steel bar will go according to the structural drawings. This helps ensure your project stays on schedule and within budget. Tip number 2. Use the right bending technique. Bending rebar manually can cause weak points, which will compromise the strength of the bars. Always use a rebar bender. It's faster, more accurate, and ensures your bars are bent in a consistent manner. Pay attention to the bending angles, and make sure each piece is bent to the right degree to fit within the structure. Tip number 3. Secure bars with precision. When securing the rebar, make sure your ties are secure but not too tight. Over-tightening can cause damage to the bar. You should use a reliable twist tie method that ensures the bars stay in position, but doesn't cause any unnecessary tension on the steel. Tip number 4. Stay safe with proper PPE. Safety first. Steel bars are heavy, sharp, and can easily cause injury. Always wear your personal protective equipment PPE, hard hats, gloves, steel-toe boots, and safety glasses. Protect yourself from sharp edges, falling objects, and other common hazards on the site. Tip number 5. Understand load distribution. Steel doesn't just hold concrete together, it helps distribute the load across the structure. When placing rebar, make sure you're following the structural drawings carefully. Every bar has a purpose, whether it's for tensile strength. Experienced steel fixers can make mistakes. So let's go over some common errors you should avoid when steel fixing. Mistake number 1. Incorrect spacing. Rebar spacing is critical. If bars are spaced too far apart or too close, it can affect how the concrete reacts to load. Always follow the spacing guidelines outlined in the structural drawings. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong type of steel. Not all steel is created equal. Different projects require different grades of rebars depending on the load and environmental conditions. Always double-check the specifications for your project and make sure you're using the correct grade of rebar. Mistake number 3. Inconsistent tie strength. If the tie is too loose, the rebar could move during the concrete pour. If it's too tight, it could damage the steel. Consistency is key in securing your bar. Fixing is not just a skill, it's an art. With the right tools, techniques, and focus, you can ensure that every project you work on is structurally sound and built to last. Like any craft, it takes time and practice to perfect. But with these tips, tools, and safety measures, you'll be well on your way to becoming a pro steel fixer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert construction tips. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more detailed tutorials. Until next time, stay safe